girl Curious C here, and I'm back to y'all with another amazing video on this look. Like, isn't it so pretty? I know. But before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed, I need you to go and hit that subscribe button, and better yet, go and hit that bell button so y'all can stay up to date and notified when I upload a new video. But in this video, it's very quick, it's very simple, it's very timeless, okay? It's an amazing bomb ass smoky date night look. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, starting off, I'm going in with my Milani Soft Focus Glow in the color Bronze Glow number 3. Y'all, when I tell you this product right here is a must-have, it's literally a must-have. I promise you, it gives your foundation that glow, that glass-looking coverage. Like, it's just freaking bomb. It goes on lightweight. Sure enough, it does stink, but it's just like a must-have to give your foundation that glow that you want without it being heavy. So here I'm just going in with one of my favorite drugstore foundations by Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. Y'all, this foundation is like really freaking bomb. It's like a must-have when it comes to drugstore foundation. And here, as you can see, I'm just taking a damp beauty blender, y'all. Make sure it's damp. And I'm just blending it all evenly over my face to get that full coverage that it's going to give me. And, you know, make that skin look flawless, baby. I also forgot to mention the color I'm going in with is 334 Warm Sun. Now I'm taking my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the color Golden Amber T100. Y'all, this foundation dries up so freaking fast. It's not one of my favorite, but it definitely gets the job done. Now I'm just going in with another damp beauty blend, and I'm just going to blend this product out as best to my ability because this product does dry out really fast. So here I'm just going in with my Juvia's Place concealer. I'm using it to contour my face, and as you can see where I'm applying it, I'm going to do it on the other side as well. If y'all watched my previous videos, y'all know how I felt about this concealer at first, but now I love it, okay? Like, I love it. Like, it gives my skin that dark tone that I need to actually create the shape of my head. I'm going in with the color number 7. This Juvia's Place concealer, yes, baby, yes. I was skeptical about it at first and was like thinking about giving it away, but no, baby, I'm keeping it. So here I'm just going in with my all-time favorite setting powder by Maybelline. Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the color 20. This is my all-time favorite. It helps bring the color back from my concealer after contouring my face. So this is why I really love it, because it's like a foundation type setting powder. So here I'm going in with the Black Radiance Light to Medium Contour Palette. Y'all know every makeup artist, makeup guru, makeup enthusiast uses this contour palette. Like, it's like the bomb diggity. It helps set your contour and bring it back to life. So this is also one of my favorite contour palettes by Black Radiance Light to Medium. And you know your girl Curious C ain't using nothing new here. I'm going in with my Black Radiance Rich Peach blush to give my jawline that little tint, just that little tint. So going into the eyes, I'm taking the Dose by Juvia's Place, and I'm using the color Berry Mousse. It's like a light brown, a nudish brown, and I'm just going to take this and use it for my eyelid base before I apply colors. So I'm just using this for my base. So here I'm going in with the Zulu by Juvia's Place. It doesn't list what exact color it is, but it's more of a mud brown. I'm going to apply this in my crease and blend it out and use it as my transition color. So we're just going to blend, blend, blend. I'm also going to take this color into the inner corner up to my eyebrow and then blend it out onto the end of my eyebrow. So here I'm going back in with the Dose by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color Chocolate, Chocolat. And I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my eyelid just to give my eyeshadow color this smoky look that I'm trying to go for. So we're not going to apply it all the way into like the center or the inner corner, just the outer. And just thinking about it, you may want to do your foundation first before you apply this eyeshadow, because I really did have a hard time applying my foundation and concealer with my one eyelid done. So here I'm just doing the zoom in so y'all can see how I apply my cut crease. I'm going in with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover in the color Golden Amber, the same color I use to conceal my face on my foundation. This is not going to be a full cut crease. It's just going to be like a semi-cut crease because I don't want to overshadow that dark shade we just applied to the eyelid to give us that smoky look. So I'm just showing y'all how I do it. So here I'm going in with my Nubian 3-Core Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use a shimmer. The shimmer, I don't know what color it is to be exact because it does not list it, but it's more of a brownish, goldish undertone shimmer. And I'm just applying it onto my cut crease. And we're just going to apply as much as you need to apply to get the color to show up. So here I'm taking my BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. I bet y'all getting tired of me because all these eyeshadow palettes I have do not have a specific color listed. Like this eyeshadow palette does have not one color listed. But I'm just going to call it a cranberry. I'm going in with a cranberry shade on my waterline and I'm just going to blend that out. So here I'm going in with one of my favorite ABH highlight kits, and I'm using the color Tourmaline. I don't know how to pronounce that. Tourmaline, or whatever. So I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbone, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on top of my lips. And y'all could talk about me all y'all want, but I will always go ham above my lip. Like, I feel like you can never have enough highlight above your lip. Like, once you apply the lip liner and lipstick and lip gloss, like, it just takes it away. So I feel like you have to overly apply it so you can get that boom. There it is, baby. Just going in with the NYX lip liner in the color taupe, and I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Now the NYX lipstick I'm using, I don't know what color it is. I don't have it right here with me, but I will list it in the description box below, so make sure y'all check out the description box. So, you know, right here, I'm just checking myself out, giving myself faces, you know, like, boom. Yes, hunty, yes. But I'm going in with some lip gloss that I do not know what color it is. I know it's by Milani, but all the wording is literally off of it. So, it's just like a pink shimmery lip gloss. So that's pretty much wrapping up this video before we get into the slow-mos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you. Kiss it.